Hello guys, this is Dr. Shaheen here. Today I am going to talk about acne or pimples, its causes, remedies and preventions. So let's start. Acne is a very common and long-term skin disease that majorly involves teenage groups and causes many cosmetic and psychological problems. So we should discuss a bit details about the disease. At first, let's look into some mechanism of acne formation. A normal hair follicle opens into skin surface along with opening of sebum producing gland. But when these openings are blocked by dead skin cells, this sebum or oily substance cannot come outside. This helps bacteria like Propionibacterium acne to proliferate inside the area. Finally, there is inflammation and blocked pores are swollen causing acne. Let's discuss about few risk factors of acne formation. Hormonal changes and family history are important risk factors for acne formation. Other risk factors for acne can be greasy or oily cosmetic and substance exposure, friction or pressure on skin. Stress can also exaggerate conditions like acne. Acne presents with few typical features like in mild types, there is blackheads, whiteheads, and papules. In moderate types, the papules presents with pus-filled lesions or papulopustular acne. And in severe variant, there is nodulocystic acne. If we talk about other variants, there is truncal acne and very severe acne with scar formation, that is acne conglobata. There are multiple homemade remedies also, but these are specially for mild to moderate variants. For moderate to severe acne, we must consult a dermatologist. They will help to control your acne, to reduce scar formation and other skin damage, to diagnose other associated problems like polycystic ovarian disease, to prevent recurrence and complications. Now the main topic of discussion, how to cure this acne as per dermatological advice. First come to topical medications. Benzoyl peroxide 5% gel is very much effective in treatment of mild to moderate acne. It's used alone or in combination with antibiotic like clindamycin. It acts by removing blockade, killing the bacteria and reducing inflammation. Topical retinoids like tretinoin 0.05% cream or adapalene gel will help you to cure mild to moderate acne. The above cream or gels is to be applied in evening in a very thin layer over the acne spots. Keep for half to 1 hour, then wash with clean water. Oral medication includes antibiotic, they act by killing the bacteria. Antibiotic used are like tetracycline, doxycycline, azithromycin, etc. They are preferred in papulopustular acne or in moderate acne. Combined OCP or anti-androgens are considered only in women with hormonal problems. Oral isotretinoin is reserved for most severe type of acne. It is drug of choice in nodulocystic acne, truncal acne, acne conglobata, and recurrent acne unresponding to other treatment. It's very effective drug, but because of its potential side effects, doctors need to closely monitor anyone being treated by this drug. Now let's look into other dermatosurgical therapy for treating acne. Chemical peeling by salicylic acid or glycolic acid, extraction of whiteheads or blackheads, laser therapy, dermabrasion, steroid injection, etc. At last, let's look into some measures to prevent formation of acne. Wash your acne-prone skin at least twice daily. Use soft cleanser or face wash containing salicylic acid, glycolic acid or benzoyl peroxide to remove excess oil from skin and promote gentle peeling. Avoid oily and greasy cosmetic products, sunscreen or hair products. Use a non-oily, non-comedogenic water-based moisturizer and sunscreen. Avoid touching or picking at problem areas to avoid scarring. Take a shower after strenuous activities to remove excess oil and soils from skin.